I was sitting on the couch, vegging. Sitting here with my boy Reese. Yeah, you. Are you comfy? Yeah. We're watching Gilmore Girls, aren't we, Bubba's? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, got you around. Who's pretty? Are you pretty? Yeah. 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 You get all excited because I'm moving around on the couch. You're such a pretty boy, aren't you? Yes. And today, we went out to Value Village. Oh, see, there he goes. He's all excited. He's getting a cookie. We went and checked out Value Village, which is a second-hand store, and I found this. It was like $2.99, and I had to get her because she is exactly the same doll that I had when I was a kid. The marks on her face are even similar, so just had to have her. And then I found this really cool bag for $7.99, and it already has my initial on it, so I don't have to do anything. But it's a 31 bag, and it's like a luggage thingy with like a laptop pocket and all that kind of stuff. So I thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, it had to come home with me. And you want a cookie? Yeah. Yeah. Cookie? Cookies. Good boy. So now we're just gonna sit and finish watching Gilmore Girls while I make up some slippers. Some pretty interesting looking ones. It's eating really loud. I'm going to make up some of these. Focus in there for you. I'm making 4 pairs of those slippers for a Christmas gift, I guess. But it's for somebody else, all 4 pairs. So I'm going to leave it here and get back to my shows. Okay, so it's after school, and my daughter really wanted to walk home with her friend. So I'm waiting here very impatiently, actually, waiting for her to come around that corner over there, because we don't walk home when normally I pick her up. So, or before that, she was a bus kid. So walking home is new for us, and I'm just very overprotective, and I need to follow her, I guess. But I'm being good. I'm just sitting here waiting. So hopefully she'll come around that corner soon. She really likes the idea of walking home, although it is kind of wintry. If you can't see all the snow out there. So it's going to get really cold, and she might not want to be walking home so much anymore. But yeah, so we're waiting here. And then we're going to head straight home and get her to pack up her stuff so that her and I can go away tomorrow morning. We've got a couple of running around things that need to do, and I have to get the house all tidied up so that I can go, so that it doesn't fall apart while I'm not there, with the boys staying there without us. So we're just sitting here and waiting, and hopefully I won't have to wait too long. Alright, so kids are starting to come across around that corner there, and that's where my daughter's going to come from, so hopefully she will be the next one around the corner. I'm sorry, my camera seems to self-adjust on its own, and it likes to have that house right in the middle of the screen, so if it's jumping, it's totally the camera. There she is, without snow pants on, because that's the way she rolls. Brand new snow pants, and she's not even wearing them on such a cold day like today. So I'm sitting here crocheting, and I have a buddy who's in the warmest spot possible. Does anybody else's dog do this? Let me know.